Item 2, the pool house. You will need this key. Huge great thing. And put it in upside down and turn it the opposite way in order to get in to Casa Pedro. Now in here there's lots going on. Switch the light on, which should come on because you've put the electric on. Open the window, let some fresh air in, and then have a look in front of you. Ignore this, this is only the lighting which has dripped and will be replaced soon. Two main areas to understand. Number one, the electricity. Nothing is plugged in, as you see, and all of the electric trips are down. I'm just going to close the window because the tractor's coming by. To start off with, you also need to understand this. And at the moment, as you can see, it is pointing towards closed. In a moment, once we've set things up, we will be moving it to filter. There's filter. Later on, I'll explain backwash. And those are the only areas that you'll need to know. The other things that are important are these red handles. You'll see them everywhere. These three are the three that take water out of the pool and put it into the filter. Now, out of the pool, on the left here, Limpia Fondus, that's the hoover. I'll show you that upstairs. Skimmer, which you can just make out there, are the two square entrances where the water goes in, and that one is the base, right at the bottom. You'll notice they are all horizontal, which means they are shut. Once it's gone through the filter, it will come back out and up via this one. Again, you'll notice that it's shut because it is horizontal or at right angles to the pipe. Now, what we'll do to start with, and what you'll do, is first of all, you will move this handle by pressing it down and turn it to filter. Now, let it go down and open up the skimmer valve and open up the Limpia Fonda and open up the base drain. Now you can see they're all open. You must then open the exit. If you put this on without opening the exit, you'll have water going into the filter but not being able to go out. Okay, everything's ready to plug in now, and despite this looking horrible in the corner, it all works perfectly. You'll find this plug, black plug, coming out the back of the pump. Plug it into the wall. Then looking up here, you have two lots of switches. Don't worry about these ones. This is for lights. You might want to put those on in the evening. Only one side of the pool lights will work. Again, because of that. Water's dripped onto this one on the right and created a short. Anyway, back to this. So to start with, leave the lights alone. Don't worry about this little kiddie, except that it needs to be switched all the way over, and I'll leave it in that way. Here you put the power on, and then this puts the power down into the pump, and you'll hear a noise immediately. Straight away, that's a healthy noise, and you'll see the pump turning the water from the pool into the filter, through the sand filter, back up and out that way. That's the end of the lesson 2.